Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1 with you. We are in home, which for us serves as a bulletin board to our classroom. So what are we doing this week? What kind of work will we complete? Let's find out. So let's survey our bulletin board. We have Canvas Help at the top. We have the 24/7 helpline should you need it. We also have the Canvas Student Guide. And please don't forget you have Canvas tutorials in the left menu, and you have Office 365 with all kinds of nifty apps such as Word that you can use to help you to work in this classroom. Okay, scrolling down, we have a link to Week 4 in modules, April 29th to May 5th, 2019. You'll be engaging in discussion 4, teacher-posed obstacles to student success, and an MLA quiz. Now, modules, which is here in the left menu, is our Bible in the classroom. We're pretty much a one-tab class as far as our homework is concerned. All of the class readings, all of the assignments are right here, everything except for the textbook. Okay, so you can click on modules here, or you can use the handy link that I created for you here. All right, scrolling down more, what do we have? We have an image of what we're dealing with this week, teacher-posed obstacles to student success. We have Peppermint Patty falling asleep as Charlie Brown watches her startled as the teacher lectures, wah, 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 wah. Maybe all of us have been in that situation before. Okay, I'm going to remind you that our research paper topic is, what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? We are working on that research paper throughout the class, and definitely as we discuss teacher-posed obstacles to student success this week, and as we work on our MLA quiz. Okay, scrolling down more, we have 2 videos at the bottom. The last one is workshopping the essay. That explains how we're working on our research paper throughout the class. We're scaffolding or building it. This contains my pedagogy, my teaching method and philosophy, and my grading system. And all about this English 101 class, I've moved this video down here. It is an orientation to the class. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on the syllabus here. And then on instructor and course information here. And this contains all of the ways to reach me when my office hours are. And I am always available during my campus office hours, Mondays and Wednesdays, from 12 to 2 p.m. in General Classroom Building 210D. You can also Skype with me during that time. And I have information about how to Skype. And please keep in mind, too, that if you cannot visit me, I have a telephone number where you can reach me as well. And of course, I am always available to you in inbox. You are never ever bothering me when you email me. You're never emailing me too much. If an assignment is not clear, you need to show me how to make it clear to you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow here and click on it one more time to get into home, our bulletin board, with this image of Peppermint Patty falling asleep because of the teacher's boring lecture. And I'm going to wish us a good week as we engage in discussion 4, teacher-posed obstacles to student success, and our MLA quiz. And again, please don't forget, I'm here in the inbox. If you need me, I'm here. All right, let's have a great week.